Most designers stop at creating the design, but they never take it to the next level. In this video I'll show you a complete workflow starting from a manufacturer die cut in CorelDRAW, all the way to a realistic AI mockup and a cinematic product video. We're going step by step. First, we prepare the die cut inside CorelDRAW. Then we apply the artwork and export it. After that, we move into AI using Rewarx Studio to generate a mockup, enhance it, and finally turn it into a product video. Let's start inside CorelDRAW. I'm going to import the manufacturer die cut file. This step is very important because the entire design depends on accurate measurements. As you can see, this is not a simple rectangle. The shape is curved because it will wrap around the cup. That means we need to be careful with alignment and spacing. Before we start designing, we need to prepare this file properly. First, I'll select the die line and change its outline color to red so it's clearly visible. Now I'll move it to a separate layer. Select all die cut parts and combine them together. Keep in mind, there are many different die cut styles depending on the manufacturer, so always do a test print and cut before final production to avoid mistakes. Now let's define the design area. Select the yellow shapes. Combine and move it to a separate layer. I'll add some guides, vertical and horizontal. Measure the angle to divide it equally. I need 4 guides, so divide it by 4. Now draw the vertical guides. Now I'll clean the shape to add the horizontal guides. Now comes the creative part, applying the artwork. I'll start by adding background colors. Then I'll place the logo and adjust its size and position. Add shapes to the background. When designing for a paper cup, always remember this will wrap around a curved surface. So avoid placing important elements near the extreme edges. A centered layout usually works best because it stays visible from multiple angles. Once everything looks good, we're ready to export. I'll export this as a high-quality image. Make sure the resolution is high so we get the best result in the next steps. Now we move into AI. Use the link in the description to open Rewarx Studio. Then simply use the mockup generator, upload your design. Just type paper cup as a prompt. Let the AI create a base mockup automatically. Now we're going to improve the result using a simple prompt. Type, add coffee. Add real smoke. Simply like that. This will make the mockup look much more realistic and visually appealing. Now we move to Model Studio. Upload your image. Analyze market and trend insight. Select the visual strategy. I will choose the Artisan Sanctuary. Now this will produce for assets. I will choose this one to turn it into a product video. Click Convert to Video. No prompt, just click Generate Video, and the AI will create a cinematic animation from your mockup. This is perfect for social media, ads, or showcasing your work. Now let's take this to the next level using Vibe Match. Instead of relying only on prompts, Vibe Match lets you control the entire mood and style of the design. I'll upload my mockup. Upload a reference image that has the exact look I want. Click Produce Look Like Set. And just like that, the AI adapts the mockup to match this style. This is extremely powerful because you're no longer guessing, you're directing the visual outcome with precision. And that's the full workflow, from a simple die cut to a complete AI-generated product video. If you want to learn more advanced packaging design and workflows like this, write in comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more professional design content.